हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं दे रही हूँ एन ऑस्ट्रेलियन हाउस टूर। तो बहुत सारे पूछ रहे थे कि ये हाउस टूर करो, ऑस्ट्रेलियन हाउसेस कैसे होते हैं वो देखना पसंद करते हैं, तो इनके लिए ये हाउस टूर है। एंड यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज़ एज वेल। तो एंटर होते ही जो राइट साइड है आपको एक सिटिंग एरिया दिखेगा। इट्स अ लो मेंटेनेंस एरिया क्योंकि डार्क कलर्ड कारपेट है। एंड लुक एट द प्लांट्स एंड द पियानो, इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट्स वेल लिट क्योंकि आप सीलिंग में जो है एलईडी लाइट्स देख सकते हैं एंड फ्लोर पे वो सारे लाइट्स दिख रहे हैं लाइन से, तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है। एंड राइट साइड जो आप लेफ्ट साइड जो डोर आप देख रहे हैं, ये डोर जो है गराज के लिए है। इट्स अ डबल कार गराज एंड देन दिस इज द मिरर ऑन द साइड विच एक्चुअली ओवरलुक्स to the staircase। and आप अगर ये स्टेज देखते हैं, it is so beautiful। this has to be the most favorite part of this house। and LED lights जो lit हैं, it's making these stairs even more beautiful। and that's me saying hello to everyone। Hi everyone, and let's move on and look at this wall। it has LED, that strip light going on, and it gives a nice decorative feature। ये ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं होता है, but it looks so beautiful on the walls guys। and then right side जो है एक powder room है, it's without a shower, but I like the tiling। it is from floor to ceiling tiles है, which is rare in these Australian houses। we have to request for this, and then you have to pay an extra amount to get all of this। and it's a powder room, there's an attached toilet, and then when you just come out of it, on the side, on the left side, there's a media room। it's so beautiful। so this house is a 4-bedroom house, and bedrooms सारे जो हैं top floor पे हैं। this is a double story house if I haven't mentioned before। so on the left you see a carpet area which is a media room। क्योंकि attached swimming pool है, इन्होंने जो है glass wall दिया है। it's really up to your choice whether you want to choose a brick wall or a glass wall, and whether you want it to be a little bit dark so that you can watch your movies peacefully, or decorate this room and make it dark and put glass sliding doors। this doesn't have a door, but it's really up to you। on the side when you walk in, you will see a laundry room which is beautiful again। यहाँ पे एक लिनन कबर्ड है, एंड इट्स अ ग्लास डोर अगेन। इट्स रियली अप टू यू वेदर यू चूज़ अ सॉलिड वुड या ग्लास डोर। अगर बहुत नीट से रखते हैं तो ग्लास डोर जो है बहुत ब्यूटीफुल दिखता है। नाउ आई एम मूविंग ऑन टू द फैमिली रूम। दिस इज़ रियली स्पेशियस एंड एस्थेटिक एज वेल। लुक एट द TV wall। it has a plantation shutters, and it just adds to the beauty, and the tiling is also low maintenance क्योंकि light color नहीं है, and the carpet, everything ties in together। it looks really beautiful। and जो backyard दिख रहा है वो Alfresco है। access जो है family room से है and dining area से है, and this is the heart of the house। it's a beautiful kitchen, and look at the cabinets and the glass doors, and ये जो island है, it is also so beautiful with the tiling and all of that। so I'm entering butler's pantry now। on the side आप देख सकते हैं कि सिंक हैं, ओवरहेड कबर्ड्स हैं, एंड ये सिंक जो है अंडर माउंट है, which is low maintenance I feel, and it's easy to clean। and this tiling, the counter is 20 mm width, and again glass splashback which is really cool, and then fridge area, overhead cupboard, and there's a lot of shelving where you can put away your groceries, and this is all tiled। तो पूरा जो I will say ground floor है tiled है, except for the media room and the sitting room, the lounge room in the front। and आप ये देख सकते हैं कि Electrolux stove है 900 mm का, which is really beautiful again। it is made of glass, easy to clean, easy to maintain। and look at the countertop, it's so beautiful। it is 40 mm width, and there are again cupboards। I like the hinges again to the doors। it's a soft close, and it is so beautiful। overall kitchen दिखते ही मन इतना खुश हो गया है, what I can say about this। and look at this wine area where you can just put away all bottles, whatever you want। अलग से बार की ज़रूरत नहीं है। and there's a breakfast island which is an upgrade again, and then a lot of drawers underneath, and ये जो sink area है ये under mount है, easy to clean. Again, there's a dishwasher, and I'll show you how the cutlery drawer looks like. This is how it looks. It's well maintained, soft close, and I really like those handles. This is the dining area. I really like the chairs, and color wise bhi jo hai, everything coordinates with each other and nothing is too flashy or out of place. And this dining area has access to Alfresco, and दो sliding doors हैं, एक तो है dining table से, दूसरा है जो है family room से. So बाहर आते ही एक sitting area है where you can actually spend time in the backyard. Whether you want to have greenery or a swimming pool is really up to your choice. Swimming pool looks beautiful here though. अगर आपके बच्चे हैं, छोटे हैं जो practice करते हैं swimming के, overall if you like water, I feel that it's well worth to spend money on a swimming pool. And there's a grilling area as well where there's a grilling machine. You can grill, have your little picnic in the backyard, and this is how it looks. Now I'll take you to the first floor, and I'm just walking back to the stairs. I'll show you stairs again. These are beautiful. I really like. Every house has to have some kind of feature where it stands out. There's a huge window to this stairs, and this house is well ventilated, which I really like. Throughout the house I see windows and doors and glass, so it gives a lot of light. And that's the best part of the house. Every house should have very good ventilation. एंड यहाँ पे जो हैं ग्लास दिए हैं स्टेयर्स के बगल में, विच आई रियली लाइक. आजकल क्या होता है कि ग्लास देते हैं, ऊपर से जो है एक एल्यूमिनियम या स्टील का जो टॉपर होता है, विच डजंट गिव यू अ रियल स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड. एंड अगर घर में एल्डरली पीपल हैं या बच्चे हैं, ये जो वुडन का पकड़ है, स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड है, वो ज़रूरी होता है. आई फील इट लाइक सेव्स योर ग्लास एंड ऑल्सो गिव्स गुड होल्ड व्हेन पीपल आर जस्ट वॉकिंग डाउन स्टेयर्स और कमिंग अप स्टेयर्स. And this is beautiful. Again, this is a beautiful place to relax. Maybe you want to just separate out from the rest of the family members and just watch, have your own show. You can come upstairs and watch, and there are 2 huge windows, and you can just see what's going on. And then moving on the left side you will see a bedroom. So 4 bedrooms है इस house में, and all 4 bedrooms are placed on the top floor. And there's a window again, and there's a wardrobe. And sliding doors with glasses are the most beautiful and useful thing. Every house should have it, and even my house where I'm living, I have those glass sliding doors. I really like them. I wish to have in every house as well. It's really easy to get dressed up. एंड यहाँ पे साइड में आते ही ये बाथरूम है, ये कॉमन बाथरूम है, एनीवन कैन यूज़ इट. इज़ अ फ्रेमलेस शावर, एंड there's a niche to put all your shampoos, all soaps, and there's a shower and a beautiful bathtub. It's a freestanding tub, so you can choose whatever you want, what size you want. It's really up to you. And then there's a mirror. ये वैनिटी एरिया है. इट हैज़ 1 sink and then freestanding or wall hung vanity, I would say. नीचे से दिखाती हूँ, देखिए कुछ नहीं है. इट्स easy to clean, and wood है तो अगर फ्लोर पे बैठता है तो wet हो जाता है, and then over in the future it needs a replacement because the wood starts coming apart. And this is another bedroom, second bedroom. तो क्वीन साइज बेड डाला हुआ है इन्होंने यहाँ पे. एंड देन दिस इज़ दी नॉट वॉक इन रूम, बट इट्स अ प्रॉपर वार्डरोब. एंड दिस अ लिनन कबर्ड, क्योंकि बाथरूम है, बाथरूम के बगल में इन्होंने लिनन कबर्ड दिया है. अगेन इट्स अ ग्लास डोर. इट्स रियली अप टू यू. इफ़ यू वांट टू शो ऑफ व्हाट इनसाइड, यू कैन हैव इट. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू आस्क मी, आई रियली प्रेफर अ हार्डवुड डोर, क्योंकि यू कैन जस्ट चक इन एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांट एंड you don't want anyone to see. That's really me. And this is the third bedroom. बच्चों के लिए I feel it's a really good sizing. Even if you have guests in the house, these are really good bedrooms, and then they can use the common bathroom, and I will show you. This is a beautiful master bedroom. It has him and her side of walk-in robes and their own bathrooms. I really like this feature of this house. And there's a huge mirror, and यहाँ पे TV रख सकते हैं. You can have your own private space, and there's a feature wall. It's really up to you if you want to spend money on feature wall, which I think doesn't do much, but then it's really personal choice. And then I'm just walking into the bathroom. The only downside I feel here is it doesn't have a door. Why? I'm not sure. I prefer to have a door. And then when you walk in, there's a vanity area. It has one sink, and onto the right side there's a walk-in robe for her. So yeah, so the lady can organize all her clothes, shoes, bags beautifully. And this is carpeted again. I mean, because it's near bathroom, I feel that it should have had tiles, just in case if there's a water leakage or something coming out. I mean, yeah, it shouldn't get on the carpet. And this is the toilet, which is separated out, and it has a door. तो सिंक सामने है, एंड पीछे की तरफ जो है यहाँ पे एक टॉयलेट है, एंड दूसरी तरफ से जो है एंट्री शावर है. शावर एंड द टॉयलेट आर काइंड ऑफ हिडन behind the sink area, and it's a beautiful shower. And again, it doesn't have a door. I don't know why. And if you see outside, I mean, there's a window. There's a huge window just pointing out to the shower, which I really feel awkward about this. I mean, I'm not sure about the placement, but yeah, the window shouldn't be there. And then walking out of it, I'll just walk you through the hem. So my daughter has taken this footage. So as soon as you enter, on the left side you have him side, so he can put all his clothes and whatever. I mean, it's not a it's a good thing to save yourself from the fights, but I am not sure if the wardrobe that we walked into, I don't think it'll fit in my clothes. At least for my husband, I think I'll have a separate room wardrobe that's being used for him, and I would occupy these two walk-in robes. So this was the house tour of this beautiful house. Here are some pictures. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know what you want to watch going forward. Thanks.